Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to resize checkbox in Flutter. Okay, I have created this new Flutter project and I have opened it on VS Code. Now let's open up the leaf folder, and inside the leaf folder let's create new file. Let's say home screen that file, and here let's create the stateful widget. Let's send the class name to home screen, and here let's return here scaffold. Okay, now open up the main.dart file and let's remove this stateless widget and let's create new stateless widget. Let's send the class name to my app. Let's return here material app. Now give the home that home screen we have just created, and we'll get this blank screen. Now let's remove this debug banner also by making debug show check mode banner false inside the material app. Okay, and it will remove this banner. Now let's close this and let's open up the home screen, and here let's keep the body, let's keep the column and children. Okay, and here let's create the checkbox, this one. Give the value false as default and make the onChanged function blank for now. Okay, and here is the checkbox. Let's make this main axis alignment to the center to this column, and also let's wrap this column with the center widget. Okay, and here is our checkbox, and it's not clickable now because onChanged function is blank now. Okay, as default the value is false. Let's define here bool is checked. By default it's going to be false, and let's remove this hard-coded false to this is checked. We have created this stateful widget so that we can change the value. Okay, inside this set state let's make this is checked. Let's give this is checked the new value when checked. Let's fix this, add the null check, and let's reload the app, and now let's try to click on it, and it's going to update the UI. Okay, now as default, as you can see, the checkbox is too small and not looking good. Also, let's wrap this checkbox with the widget called Transform.scale and give the scale. Let's give the scale to 200%. As default, it's 100%. Okay, one is the 100%, two is the 200%, and if you set it to 1.5, it's going to be 1 150%. Let's make it to 0.5 and it will be smaller to smaller. Okay, let's keep it 3 and let's see how it's going to look. Perfect. Okay, now you can also change the color. Also, let's keep the color here. Let's keep the active color. Let's set it to colors dot green, and active color going to be green. You can also change the checked color. You can set the check color like this. Give the check color. Let's give the check color colors dot. Let's give amber, and it's going to be like this. Okay, and if you want to change the shape of this check box, as default it's a square. If you want to change this to circle, you can give the shape parameter to the checkbox, and you can make it circle border, and it will be circular. Okay, And you can keep the fill color, focus color, over color. Okay, the zero color. You can select the parameter as per your need. Okay, let's keep it white. As default, it's white. Let's set it to white to look better. Okay, guys, this is how you can resize the checkbox, and also you can make the change the shape of the color, shape of the checkbox and color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.